Hi, welcome back. This is Arvind from Bicycle Cart. Heard that ear-piercing noise annoying, isn't it? That's because you are not lubing your chain regularly. Chain is one of the most demanding components on your bicycle. To make your riding more enjoyable, you must regularly clean and lube your chain. But do you know why chain lubrication is important? It extends the life of a chain from wear and also makes the shifting job easy. And also, chain lubing can help you prevent from external climate conditions. In this video, I will show you how to properly degrease and lubricate your chain.
For this we need a degreaser, a chain scrubber and a chain lube. Using a degreaser is the first step to getting a clean chain. Using the perfect degreaser will help you to break down the old, grimy lubrication on the bicycle. To start with, level the lower portion of the chain. You can now shift to the smallest cog both at the front and the rear. Connect the chain scrubber to the lower section of the chain. Ensure that the chain is completely seated in the brushes. Now you have to fill with solvent to the fill line and start slowly pedaling backwards. Continue the process for some time. Empty the solvent from the chain scrubber. Wipe off the remaining dirt particles from the chain. Let's drain the chain cleaner and refill with soapy water. Repeat the process of installing the chain cleaner and running the chain through until the chain is thoroughly rinsed. During the chain cleaning process, try to clean the other components of the drivetrain. For the best result, we suggest using a cassette cleaning brush. You can get these maintenance kits from your nearest bicycle cart showroom. It's important to lubricate the chain once it has dried. Make sure the chain lube is thoroughly applied to each rivet. Next, use a clean, dry towel to remove any extra lubrication. This will prevent dirt from building up on your drivetrain. Your chain is now tidy. Get ready to ride.
With this, you're ready for a friction-free ride. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions. Until we meet in the next video, this is me, Arvind from Bicycle Cart signing off.